Hey guys, Abbas here from Tech Radar, and I've got these two phones in front of me. I've got the HTC U12 Plus on my right and the LG G7 ThinQ on the left. We're just going to call it the LG G7 for the review. One of the features that both of them are touting are their sound output, or the quality or loudness of the sound that comes out of them. HTC's got their boom sound, which returns with a 60% increase over the previous generation, and LG's got something they're calling the Boombox sound. Basically just reverbs over a flat surface. So we're going to test both of these out to see which one's got louder output and better quality. We'll test them out over a couple of different surfaces. So we'll start with glass, then maybe move on to wooden surface as well as metallic surface. And we'll use a Zoom microphone to record the audio for this. You guys can be the judge of which one is better out of these two. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with the glass table surface. We've got Spotify running on both of these. The volume levels are full on both. HTC's been set to music mode because it has a music/theater mode, so we've done that. And let's start with the HTC. Okay, that sounded pretty good. Let's see what the LG is capable of. Alright, so I think we have a clear winner here on the glass surface. I think the LG sounded not only more punchy, but louder as well. Let's take a look at some of the other surfaces. Okay, so for our next test, we've got a wooden surface. So let's see how these two phones sound on a wooden surface. Let's start with the HTC U12 first. Pretty good. Let's see how it is on the LG. Yeah, so I think the quality of the LG again wins in this one. The sound was a lot richer, more punchy on the bass, louder as well. So we're going to give this round to the LG G7. So for this test, I've placed the phones on a couch. A very typical scenario. You're at your home, resting on your couch with your phones next to you, want to listen to some music. Let's see how these phones react to this environment. Let's start with the HTC U12 first. Loud, but not necessarily very punchy. Let's see how the LG reacts to this. So even with one bottom firing speaker, the LG sounds better than the U12 Plus in this scenario. Alright, for the final test, let's see how these devices sound in hand. Let's say you're watching a YouTube video on your phone. Let's see how that sounds like. HTC U12 Plus first. So that wasn't too bad. Now let's bring the LG and see how that sounds in that same track on YouTube. I'm just making sure we are somewhere similar. So this is the LG G7. I'm going to play this. So there you have it, folks. The LG produced a bit more punchy sound, a little bit louder as well, especially when it's lying on a flat surface, whereas the front-facing speakers on the HTC did a better job when you're watching a YouTube video or holding them in your hands. So it really depends on how you're consuming the media. For something where you want to just lay it down, the LG definitely wins hands down. It's just got one bottom-firing speaker, but it does a great job on the surface, whereas the HTC U12 is much better in your hands. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and keep it locked to Tech Radar ME. This is Abbas signing out. Follow us on our social media as well. See you guys later. Bye-bye.